Whispers of Nature, 100 Poems on Climate and Environment. Discover the beauty, hear the call, protect our planet. Immerse yourself in a poetic journey that celebrates the beauty of our world while calling for its urgent preservation. Whispers of Nature, 100 Poems on Climate and Environment is more than a collection of poems. It is a heartfelt tribute to Earth's wonders and a powerful plea for action. Through 100 evocative poems, the poet captures the essence of our natural world, inspiring readers to reconnect with nature, reflect on its fragility, and take meaningful steps to protect our precious ecosystems. In this book, the acclaimed author invites you to experience the world through his eyes, a world where every leaf, river, and the mountain speaks in whispers, asking for our care. With each poem, the author brings to life the involved beauty of nature, weaving a lyrical tapestry that resonates with both the heart and the soul. His words capture the urgency of our current climate crisis while reminding us of the profound connection we share with the earth. You will discover Anthem of the Atmosphere, a powerful call to respect and protect the atmosphere, the air we breathe, and the sky that shelters all life on Earth. You'll also discover Earth Echo, an inspiring reflection on interconnectedness of all the life and the critical importance of preserving our planet's natural balance. Discover Lullaby of the Leaves, a tranquil homage to the quiet yet vital role that leaves play in the symphony of nature, encouraging deeper appreciation and understanding. These poems are more than words on a page. They are a journey into the heart of nature's wonders. Whether you seek solace, inspiration, or renewed connection with the environment, this collection will transport you across vibrant landscape, through serene forests, and beneath star-glittering skies. Each verse serves as a reminder of our responsibility to care for the earth and its delicate ecosystem. The author, a native of Kenya, is a passionate advocate for environmental stewardship and community service. With a background in business and ICT, he is also the author of the best-selling novel, Seen and the Unseen, and Service Savannah Animals in Business. His love for nature, spirituality, and service shine through in every poem, urging readers to embrace their role as guardians of the earth. Whispers of Nature is more than a book. It is a clarion call for change, It challenges readers to listen to the earth's subtle whispers and join the chorus advocating for environmental preservation. Through vivid imagery and poignant verses, this collection invites you to reconnect with the natural world, reflect on your role in its stewardship, and take meaningful steps towards a sustainable future. Embrace the beauty, hear the whispers, act for our planet's future, discover, reflect, and act. Get your copy today, available on Jumia, Gigi, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Amazon.